It was a good hand grinder. Harbor Freight, if you hear me, I need another hand grinder. Man down, man down. Broken Harbor Freight hand grinder. And I guess I'm gonna bury him a day. He died in the line of duty. He was a good hand grinder. I used the hand grinder to cut an ugly piece of metal on Harbor Freight. And my favorite hand grinder died. It's a bad day in the office. I got no more hand grinder. This sucks. Harbor Freight hand grinder is no more. No more. Your boy need a new one. Bye-bye hand grinder. Bye-bye. Well, the good thing is, I did cut the ugly piece of metal off. Yes, 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 yes. No more ugly piece of metal. And the boy's looking real good. Look at that framework. What y'all think? Came a long ways. I lost the hand grinder, but it was worth it. Man down. Y'all been awesome.